Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Arsya from class management 23C with NPM 2341134. Application of lines and series in business economics. Line and series are widely used in everyday life. For example, in measuring precise speed on a speedometer. In the speedometer, there are numbers that have a certain pattern to from an arithmetic sequence. In economic, row and series are widely used in calculating population and food growth, measuring production cost and income, and calculating compound interest in the banking world. Basic of row and series. Arithmetic sequence. An arithmetic or calculation sequence is a sequence whose Chinese terms have the same difference or difference. An arithmetic sequence is obtained by adding a certain number to the previous number to get the next term. Arithmetic series. Arithmetic series is the sum of the terms of an arithmetic series. Geometric sequence. A geometric sequence is a sequence of number where the ratio of each term to the previous term is always the same. The ratio of each consecutive term is called the ratio. Geometric series measure. Geometric series measure is the sum of the terms of a geometric series measure. Application in business economics. Series in measuring population growth. According to Robert Malthus, in measuring population growth, it follows a geometric sequence measure, while food growth follows an arithmetic sequence calculate. Mathematical, it can be formula where PT is number of residents in the period. PE is population at the beginning of the period. R is population growth percent. T time difference at the beginning of the period until the period. Row in business ventures. A more appropriate application of sequence for the business world is arithmetic sequence, because it's measured using geometric sequence. Economic variable such as production cost, capital, income, and labor will have difficult following suit in the sense of immediate freeing them. Example, stock of goods PT X in month 1 to 10. After calculating, the average demand for this good is 7. What is the stock of goods in the 6th month? Series in measuring compound interest. The series model for compound interest is a geometric series, specifically for account payable and receivable. This applies to the banking world. Transactions with this model are called credit. Example, Mr. Bean car loan with a down payment of 10 juta. The remaining credit is 30 juta with a credit interest rate of 2% per month for a period of 2 years. What is the credit amount after the repayment due date and how much is the charge worth?